We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is a national emergency message. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this national emergency message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KGRX-TV. We will continue to serve the South Carolina area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Greenville, South Carolina area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is KGRX-TV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Greenville area. If you are not in the Greenville area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Please stand by.
This is a statement from the federal government. As of today, an invasion of full scale has been carried out by Russia to the United States. Due to this, a national emergency has been declared. As of March 3, 2023, the United States Armed Forces have confirmed attacks and landings on parts of the country. These include Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Alaska, Florida, South Carolina, California, Virginia, and Rhode Island. There is unconfirmed information of landings in Guam and Puerto Rico. You must stay indoors. If soldiers take you, do not resist. More information will be broadcast on the embed, 11:20 a.m. or 104.1 FM. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system.